Yes, sir. Let's find out what she...
Oh, hi! It's the 1st of May today. That means it's Labor Day and it's a public holiday. So I thought just want to do a quick video to share things with you. So my wife Michelle and I and my whole team of 13 people have been working at home for more than 45 days now since the COVID-19 curfew in Malaysia started. We've been working non-stop every day, making YouTube video tutorials, and also we have more than 100 videos now on our premium courses in our e-learning website. So my wife and I thought we should take a break from all this just to chill a little bit after all the hard work. I hope you have enjoyed the YouTube videos to which we upload every 2 days, and also our premium courses. I hope you have subscribed to it because we decided to do a promo of just $25 for the whole year. And thank you for all of those who have supported us and subscribed to this. If you haven't, I've extended the promo. So I do not want you to have the stress. So the promo is extended, go grab it now. So we decided to take a break on this Labor Day, and Michelle and I actually watched this fascinating movie called The Lunchbox. That is to pay our last respect and say bye-bye to one of the finest actors in the industry, Irrfan Khan. He passed away 2 days ago. So when Michelle and I were watching this movie Lunchbox, we were so tantalized by the Indian food that the character Irrfan Khan gets from this lady called Ila. So being a chef and a food stylist, Michelle decided to cook fabulous Indian food today, and they are in lunch boxes. So let's find out what she has cooked in these tiffin carrier lunch boxes. So in the movie, Irrfan Khan's character gets 1 tiffin carrier. I got 2. Oh my god. Long beans dry curry. Oh, this is really fabulous. Chickpea curry. Lamb keema curry. Oh, this is really fabulous. Chapati. Biryani rice. And our favorite papadum. There's a note even like the movie. I bet this must be a prank. It's a note from Michelle and the team at Beyond Photography. A note to say thank you for your kind support here on our YouTube channel and e-learning subscriptions on our website. Your support keeps us all going and put food on the table during this trying time. Thank you from Michelle and Beyond Photography team. True, these are trying times. We're going to emerge victorious over COVID-19, and we're going to come out stronger and smarter and better in photography and everything in life. So please stay strong, stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. And don't forget, sign up for our premium courses and our e-learning because they are undergoing promo now. Enjoy your holiday.